Ah yes, dear viewer. Today we embark on one of mankind's most noble quests, the creation of a mushroom necklace. Not just any mushroom necklace, mind you, but one forged of clay, crystal, and sheer stubborn willpower. A dazzling adornment that says, yes, I enjoy fungi, but make it fashion. Now you may be wondering, what on earth could possibly go wrong? Well, quite a lot, actually. But don't fret, our intrepid crafter is here to demonstrate the proper technique, probably. Let us watch closely and pretend we understand what's going on.
We are going to turn one of these crystals into a mushroom and make it a necklace. Okay, I think this time I'm going to try to use some of these other clays kind of mixed in, because why not, right? The one kind of speaking to me is either this one or this one, although this one's really cute too. I've got to rein it in though. I can make more later. I'm really liking this one, I think. There's my little body. So I think what I want to do is I kind of want some like vines or something kind of connecting this to the mushroom. So I'm gonna have to make some vines, gonna have to make some leaves, and these are all gonna be teeny tiny, so yay for me. Also, the mushroom top, all the mushrooms, well, any mushroom I've ever made, and the mushroom tops I see other people do all the time seem to be like just the typical like red pointy one. My biology teacher would be so proud of me right now. The red pointy one. There's this one that kind of has some pretty cool texture to it. It has like, it's brown and it's got a whole bunch of like dots at the top. Morel mushroom, is that the right answer? My biology teacher would be very proud. At least 5% proud. So clearly with the clay skills that I have and the experience that I have accumulated so far making like 2 previous projects, I can definitely make this. It's pretty tall, looks kind of like a roundish triangle. It's got brown in it. So what if I mix a little bit of this with the white? Let's see what we get. Might add a little bit more of the brown clay because I think I did too much white. That is very light, but it's a pretty color. That might be a good color for the like stem part that starts connecting. I think I'll use this for that. Granted, the morel mushroom I'm looking at has more of like a white stem, but that's okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave that like that, but I think I'm gonna take, I don't know, something like this and kind of the stem doesn't seem to have like really any texture or anything. Like it seems pretty smooth. More of this. Let me kind of warm this up a little bit. Do the teeny tiniest bit of white. Okay, so I really don't know how I'm gonna go about making this. Oh, that's kind of moral shape. And then I don't have like a ball eyeball tool. Oh wait. Paintbrush. Okay, so how, because I think I'm just gonna have to dry brush some white on top. How am I going to get, unless I just kind of start, oh, my battery's gonna die. It's really unfortunate. I don't know if anybody's made a clay morel mushroom before, but I definitely feel like this is not the way they did it. Okay, so the theory is good, but I gotta try it one more time because it was getting all wonky. Okay, let's try this again. Let's start from the top and just be very gentle. I'm gonna try and make the spots like a little bit deeper and a little bigger as it goes down, but I'm not fully confident in my abilities to do that. We're gonna give it a shot. Okay, now I'm going to bake these, charge my camera a bit, and be back to put it together and do the last project. Okay, so we have our little mushroom out of the oven, looking stunning. Some of the best clay work I've ever done. I'm going to attempt to make some like vines, I guess, and like little leaves, maybe, I don't know. Vines, yes. Leaves, I don't know. So I just kind of mix those into that color. I'm gonna make these as skinny as possible. How do I put this on? This thing? Don't know. Really just any old place would be good, thanks. I kind of want it to look like it's growing out of the mushroom somewhere a little. If there's one thing that I would say I'm pretty good at, it's making these little snakes. I'm gonna have to put like some leaves on here to cover these little weird spots. Oh, it's looking kind of cool though. I love this so much. Okay, let me do. That's way too much clay. How do I make a teeny tiny leaf? Okay, let's try it this way. And kind of pinch that there. Pinch that there. Pinch, pinch, pinch. That looks kind of cute. And then maybe. I have no idea if this is gonna stick. Or if you can even tell that that's a leaf. I hope so. Yeah, my other leaf. No! It was so cute! Come back! No! What is happening? Alright, that's an interesting situation. Oh, my back. Oh, I swear. Once you're over 30, the teeniest, tiniest leaf. Okay. I'm not gonna get too carried away because I'm going to end up messing something up. I'm just gonna leave it. Okay. So this needs to go back into the oven one more time for just a few minutes because the pieces are tiny. And then I just need to dry brush the top part white and this one will be done. You're back. Last thing I'm going to do with this is do a little bit of dry brushing on the top and it should be good. And I can do the last project. I think I like it. I think that looks good. I don't think I need the white. I think that's good. I just need to glue this on somehow. I think I'm just going to use a little bit of Elmer's glue and let it sit because it dries clear, so. Okay, hopefully that will dry and be sturdy. Now, I'm gonna clean this up and then move on to the final project, which is the collar clips.
And there you have it, a glittering mushroom necklace suitable for woodland sprites, forest witches, and anyone who's ever said, I want jewelry, but with more spores. If you found this instructive, or at least mildly entertaining, do be a good sport and subscribe. Leave a comment applauding our crafters' bravery, or simply share your favorite fungus. And, of course, click that little bell so you'll never miss another thrilling installment of crafts that shouldn't work, but somehow do. Until next time, keep your clay squishy, your crystals shiny, and your mushrooms preferably not poisonous.